Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix ChatGPT unusually activity detected from your device error triangulator problem solve. If you see unusually activity has been detected from your device triangulator error while using ChatGPT, don't worry. This usually happens due to VPN uses, too many requests, browser crash problem or network issues. In this video, I'll show you simply step by step to fix this problem quickly on mobile and PC. Follow this step carefully and your ChatGPT will work normal again. Step 1. Long press or long tap in ChatGPT application. Go to Apps Info. Click on Storage. Again click on Clear Data. Tap on Clear Cache Data. Step 2. Open Play Store. Go to Search. Search ChatGPT app. Update your ChatGPT application latest version. Step 3. Open your phone setting. Search Wi-Fi. You make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is properly connected. Step 4. Restart your device and again open it. Step 5. Again open your ChatGPT application. You can follow all of the steps to fix ChatGPT unusually activity detected from your device error try again problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this